What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the secondary air injection pump rubber mounts that we sell at 1AAuto.com for this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need these parts or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. The mount is broken for this secondary air injection pump, so it rattles around right there. I'm going to show you how to change that. Take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp right here. Get that loose, slide it off. You can try to pry this hose out. Just going to use a pick, just slide it in there, just release this hose, just go all around, grab the hose and slide it off. Then there's a bolt right here. There should be one right there. There isn't one. And then there's another bolt on this side right here. I'm going to take those out. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Pull those bolts out. And I can grab this, disconnect the electrical connector on the bottom, just push on the two tabs, slide it out. So I'm going to take this shield off next. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out. We can just slide this shield out just like that. Set it aside. Then we want to take these three nuts out right here. Just use a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. So I took those two nuts off, and then the last nut is right there. I'm just going to hold this with some pliers while I take that last nut off. I'm just going to try to loosen this first. All right, now that it's a little bit loose, there's not much to grab onto right here. You could probably use a wrench or pliers, or locking pliers might help. Yeah, I just used some locking pliers locked onto that. That made it easier. Now I can take it off. All right, got that one off. Keep in mind you want to kind of make a mental note of how this came off of this. This broken one was right here, so this came off like that. So you could actually mark it. Just take a little marker, mark on here, and mark on the case of the pump. Do that. Then we want to take these off the pump. I can use a 17mm wrench. Just slide this on here, loosen these up. It's in plastic, so, well, I guess there's metal underneath there. Let me just slide this one up. Loosen that up. This just unscrews just like that. Here's the old part. Here's the new part from 1AAuto.com. Has the same studs, has the same configuration, although this one's not worn like this one. After a while, they dry out and the rubber gets stiff. This one is not. It's nice. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you can do it yourself. Now we'll just take the new rubber mount. Doesn't matter which way they go. Just get that started. Take the 17mm wrench and just snug it up. You don't have to tighten it too tight. And that's about as far as that's gonna go. Do the same with the other ones. Now those are all in. Now we can take this bracket, slide that in position, take the bolts, the nuts, get the nuts started. Take my 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet, and tighten these down. Now that bracket's on, now we can put this shield back on. Just line this little tab up like that. Take this Phillips head screw, use a screwdriver, and just tighten this down. And just snug that, that's good. Now we can install it in the vehicle. Take the connector, plug that in, just like that. We can line up the bracket. Take the bolt, get the bolt lined up. It's a little tricky to get this bolt lined in. We'll put this bolt in first. Put this bolt in. And then if you have that other bolt, put that one on. Take the 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet. Tighten this down. Snug. Snug that one down. Take this hose, get the hose clamp lined up. Slide this back in position. We can tighten this down. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. If your clamp is sticking, you can spray a little rust penetrant in there. That's all I did. And now I was able to tighten it down, and that seems good. Now the mounts are in, it's good. The pump's nice and tight, good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out oneaauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.